Hi guys, welcome to my channel Scientific Studio. In this video we are going to unbox the Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 GB RAM. Let's do it. Before entering into my channel, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please click the like button. Thank you. Let's go into the video. First I will open the Raspberry Pi. Not getting open this side because it is sealed. Just we will open the seal. Yeah, there is our brand new Raspberry Pi 4. This is the Raspberry Pi 4, guys. See, it is Raspberry Pi 4. You can able to see 4 model B. Yeah, in this we have four USB ports. 2 are 3.0 ports, 2 are 3.0 ports, and other 2 are normal 2.0 ports. It's an Ethernet port. These are the pins. I think this is for camera, and the other one for display. This is the power point where we want to power the Raspberry Pi, and these two are HDMI ports, but this is a small HDMI port. In Raspberry Pi 3 we will have a bigger one, but in Raspberry Pi 2 we have a smaller HDMI cable. We need a converter to convert this to our normal HDMI cable. If you want to connect it with your TV or any other display, means you need a converter. This is its processor, RAM. There's a power socket also has been given in this. Yeah, this is good. Here is the SD card, where you can put our SD card with Raspberry OS or any other OS. Yeah guys, this video we had been seen the unboxing of Raspberry Pi. Yeah, in this box also they had been given something. Had been given and something like a chart, small chart. Temperature, high temperature. It will get a high temperature. To keep it safely, you don't want to touch this one because it is this and these will while working they will be increased in the temperature, so it will be high at heat nearly 58 or 60 degrees Celsius. We don't attach any fans or anything something to it. This is the pin configurations where we will connect our motor pins and other things. Okay guys, and the other module also they had been given. Safe user guide. The guide is in Chinese, Japanese. Oh, bigger. Oh, it is getting bigger and bigger, guys. Whoa, see this much bigger one. Oh, but very small words. What they had given. Given many things in it. See here, Raspberry Pi 4 Model B Safe and User Guide. If you read this, I think you can get an idea how to use this one. And it is very large, very bigger to read. Okay guys, let's see how it is working in our another video, and I will upload the video comparison of Raspberry Pi and Raspberry 4. What are the differences? You can also need them, you can also watch them. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my channel.